Okay, welcome back. Well, it seems the European Super League idea that caused an uproar in European football last year will not go away. Now, when this planned league was announced sometime last year, it caused fans, media, and football's governing bodies throughout the world and Europe to go into a big uproar. Now, today it is being reported that clubs are plotting to resurrect the idea with some adjustments. Now, according to the Evening Standard out of the UK, in an article titled UEFA President Slams Super League Rebels for Resurrected Nonsense Idea in the Middle of a War. So, Alexander Kaferin has issued a withering assessment of plans to relaunch the failed Super League proposal. UEFA President Alexander Kaferin has accused club owners still plotting to organize a European Super League as living in a parallel world. Real Madrid, Barcelona, and Juventus have been condemned by Kaferin for trying to resurrect the Super League in the middle of a war. Kaferin was scathing about the rebel clubs, who he accused of having deliberately launched their nonsense of an idea in the middle of a pandemic. Speaking via video link at the Financial Times Business of Football Summit in London, where Juventus president Andrea Agnelli was expected to lay out new plans for a breakaway, Kaferin said, "I have to say speaking about Super League is not speaking about football, but let's speak about it anyway. In a way, I am sick and tired of speaking of this non-football project. Look, first they launched this nonsense of an idea in the middle of a pandemic. Now we are reading articles every day that they are planning to launch another idea in the middle of a war. We obviously live in a parallel world. While we're saving players together with other stakeholders and working to help in a terrible situation, they work on a project like that. Honestly, they can pay whoever they want to write. This is a nice project full of solidarity and well-giving charity to small ones. This is complete nonsense, and everyone except them knows it. One of them even after called me and apologized, and they go again. Now for them, fans are customers. For us, fans are fans. And for us, football is about football players and about fans. All the rest is a supporting team." UEFA president is not happy. Guys, what do you think of this? Leave your thoughts in the comment section. And remember, at this point in the video, we're going to ask you to like the video so more people can see it. And if you're new around here, subscribe to the channel so you can stay up to date with the latest happenings in the sporting world. Alright, thank you.